In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Zoho CRM effectively, ensuring that you can effortlessly reach out to your leads and maintain seamless communication. Let's dive in and walk through each step to make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to access Zoho CRM. This is where everything begins. Open your web browser and sign into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. The dashboard offers you a wealth of information and tools, but for today, we are focusing specifically on interacting with your leads. Next, let's navigate to the Leads tab. You can find this option at the top of your screen within the CRM interface. Clicking on Leads will take you to a list view of all the leads you currently have in your CRM. This view is incredibly useful because it provides at-a-glance information about each lead, such as their contact details, status, and any recent activities. Now look for the three dots, which usually appear next to individual leads in the list. Clicking these dots will open a menu with additional actions you can perform on that lead. From this menu, you'll want to select Send Email. This option allows you to directly compose and send an email within the CRM, making it both convenient and time efficient since everything you need is right in one place. With the email composition window open, it's time to craft your message. You have a standard email interface here, much like you would in any popular email service. Focus on writing a concise and clear message. Remember, the goal is to engage your lead effectively, so keep it professional yet friendly. Once you've composed your message, it's time to click on Send. This will immediately dispatch your email to the selected lead, and you'll most likely see a confirmation message indicating the email was successfully sent. If you need to send another email or you prefer to send from a different context, you can click on a specific lead's name. Doing so will take you to a detailed view of the lead's information. Here, you'll find a Send Email button prominently displayed on the lead's profile page, providing another opportunity to email them directly from their individual profile. Once again, you'll have the chance to type your message in the email composition window. Personalize your message based on the information you have about the lead to increase engagement. Lastly, hitting send completes the process, ensuring your communication is delivered promptly. And there you have it, a comprehensive and user-friendly guide on sending emails from Zoho CRM. With these steps, you're well equipped to maintain professional communication with your leads and prospects efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope these insights help streamline your workflow.